I was just cleaning the kitchen while listening to the 100,000 video on YouTube on why starting YouTube is a good idea. And I just had this realization, how many more videos do I need to know that this is something that I really want to do? And it's really nice because you listen to the video and then you get all excited, but then you keep going with your life and then you forget until you listen to the next one and the next one. And it's just so tiring and sad at the same time. And this not only applies for YouTube, it's also for anything else that you want to do with your life. How long until you finally take the first step? So I just grabbed my camera, by the way, my second or third camera, because in my head I have to have everything ready in order to start something, and that's not the case. I have had equipment for a professional YouTuber for 2 years, just sitting down in my cupboard gathering dust because of my inability to just do it. So I was just like, okay, let's just grab my camera. It doesn't matter where you are, how you're looking, what you are gonna say. We're gonna start this right now. And I wanted to take advantage of all this fire that I'm feeling inside me, that I know is gonna wear off in a couple of minutes, as always. But I wanted to take the first step and also invite you, if by chance you are watching this video and you've been wanting to start your YouTube channel or anything else in life. I know, because I watch a lot of videos about YouTube, that a lot of people want to start their channel and are in the same spot as me, with fear. So I want to take advantage of this fire that I'm feeling right now to tell you, start. Whatever it is, start. It doesn't take much. Just grab your phone and say whatever you want to say. The important thing is that you get it done. The satisfaction, feeling the satisfaction that you did it. And that is the first step to build momentum to keep going. So let's do it together. Let's start with the first thing. What are the things holding us back? In my case is perfectionism. As I said before, I have to have everything perfect to be able to start. So I'm proving myself wrong right now. I haven't had a shower, probably still have boogers on my face, but I don't care. I have to start. Second, having a structure. My head needs to be organized, like in little squares, to know where I'm going. That can be a little paralyzing sometimes, but in this case, I don't care. That's how I am. I accept myself how I am. And what I need to do right now is come up with a system where I allocate time for this. I think you have to have a very clear motivation to do all the hard work that this needs, to be very clear with why. What is the why? How do you see yourself in 5 years, 10 years, and how YouTube or whatever other thing you want to start aligns with that vision of yourself. The third thing is being consistent, having a schedule. I'm gonna come up with that later, that you know you are gonna allocate every single day time for this. What, when, and where do we have to be doing whatever we commit to? Okay, I finished taking my shower. I'm feeling more like myself. And while I was taking the shower, I thought, what if I do one of those challenges that I've been seeing on YouTube where they film every day for 30 days, which I think, oh my God, I don't know how they do it. That's a lot of work. And I think it will be really good in the sense that, of course, at the end of 30 days, I will be at least 30% better at communicating, being more confident in the camera, being more comfortable with having the camera with me around, generating ideas, and I don't know, like feeling that motivation and that momentum. But also the accountability part, like that will be a commitment that I'm making with myself, and I don't know if someone is seeing that, but at least it's out there. So I think, I feel the responsibility to deliver. What do you guys think? Crazy.